How to set up your Remitly account or how to register Remitly. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can set up your Remitly account and register for it, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to set up your Remitly account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open the Remitly app like this. Once you open the Remitly app, you're going to just land on this page over here that you can see, and here you'll find an option called create a new profile. You just want to make sure to tap the create a new profile option here. As you tap on create a new profile, it will ask you to simply select from which country and to which country you're sending. So you can just select your country here, and then you can select to which country you're basically sending. Once you've done that, tap the next option. Now just make sure to enter the email address and the password that you want to use over here. So once you just make sure to enter the email address as well as the password that you want to use, tap on the join Remitly button and your Remitly account will be successfully set up and ready for use. This is how you can set up a Remitly account. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.